Hello everybody, welcome back to Walker Bee Ranch, and I'm Bob Walker, and yesterday was a pretty amazing day. Hopefully I can do this before my battery dies. I'm gonna do this really quick. So yesterday I did a video that did some updates to my hives, and I always am getting my gear when I should get a little more prepared. But I was doing an update for my hives, and the funny thing was, I said I didn't know if I had a queen in the box. I didn't see any return mating flight swarm or anything like that. But I went in and started rendering the video that I did yesterday, and when I came out, it looked like there was a swarm. However, there was not a, it looked like my biggest hive had the swarm in front of it and not the one that was queenless. So I was worried that the queen may have returned and flew into the wrong hive. So I went in it a little while ago, and we had queen. We had a queen, y'all. A nice, pretty queen. I don't like to go in them multiple times, but I'm gonna do it today because I want to see if I can show you my pretty new queen. And hopefully she don't fly off like the last one did. Even my little hive that's making queen cells, it's doing something over here. So it's got some activity going. So let me get my gear on and pop this top, and I'll give you the up close and personal look. All right, everyone. So I got my protective gear on, and we're gonna pop this open, and look at that. Nice bees coming back. They like the pollen patty. Let me pull some pollen patty. Well, let me just take the ring off here. Feed a ring. Set that down, and piece of this one fell down in there. And let's see, hopefully I don't make them too angry, but they are consuming some pollen patty. That's a good thing. Good thing here. Let's make sure we don't squish any underneath. There, they got out of the way. And take the beetle blaster out, which, you know, I like these, but to be honest with you, they don't fit in the hive very well. They kind of push everything out. So let's see if we can look at some bees here. Specifically looking for her. I doubt she's started laying, but she was a good looking queen. Trying to get you a little bit closer. I mean, it's always nice to see the host, but I guess it doesn't really matter. Look at the festooning right there. They're all chained together. And I'm gonna set these over here as well, because last time I saw her, she was in one of these. I think she was in, not this one, but the next one. Go to the inside first. Trying to do this one-handed like barnyard bee style. This will probably be the video y'all see me kill a queen on accident. This is obviously stores. Set this, straddle it a little bit. All the pretty bees. I don't see her on here. She was pretty evident on the last one. She wasn't a shy queen, but now that I'm looking for her, I probably won't be able to find her, right? That's how that works on video. Let's put that one out to the side. Be nice to be able to see her from the top. She did appear to bring all the bees festooning down there. She's probably on the next frame. I believe that's where I saw her earlier. I just put it right back in because I'm not trying to get another flyer like I did before. New bees, you see the fuzzy backs there hatched out. It's nice to see. Some new bees. Let's go ahead and put them back in there. It'd be nice to see her. There's a ball down there, so I bet you that's where she's at. Let's see. Let's see if we can see her. If y'all spot her, definitely let me know. But I did see her. She was a nice, pretty girl. Of course, they're drawing out. There's a little waggle dance going. I promise you, I'm not lying. I did see her. Not on that side for sure. Where could she be? Let me set this camera down. Of course, me being able to see her and her actually being here are two very different things, right? There's some larvae in there. So she's been in here for a few days, I guess. The queen had flown off on the 5th. The old queen. Today's the 28th, so it was 23 days since today, right? She's probably looking for somewhere to drop eggs. And I'm messing them all up right now. Looking for her, for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing or not. I bet you can. It's pretty. Let's check this. Again, this is the biggest, heaviest frame I got. See my luck, she'll fly out again. Things we do for YouTube. Where's her big behind that? She's kind of she's a pretty queen. They're not liking me too much doing this. Am I gonna be able to find her on camera? Probably not. Because that would be too easy. Too easy. Hopefully she's not on one of these that I just set over here. That's all stores right there. Seen her. Where could she be? Well, that's not good. doesn't have like a crazy amount of bees in it. But no, I don't see her at the moment. Just gonna get this. But you'll have to take my word. She was in here. I saw her. Let's put this beetle trap that I hate. I mean, they work, but they push my frames out, which I don't care for. Let's put this pound sub back on here. Put that pound sub back on. Put this ring back on. But yes, we do have a queen in here somewhere. You have to trust me on that. But the one thing I really would like to show you, which what I thought was amazing, now if you got to look back at the video from yesterday, and all I'm going to do is pop the top and show you something, because I told you there was a lot of bees that had come back, and this hive looks totally different from yesterday, and I'm just going to pop the inner cover and let you guys look at it today. Brood hatching. Brood hatched. I assume most of the swarm bees, I mean, you can see the inner cover is just covered with bees. The inside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, they're wall-to-wall bees in here building today. Yesterday was not the case. That was not the case yesterday, if you remember from the video. So that's pretty amazing. Most of those swarm bees, I think, made it to this box and not with the queen for some crazy reason. But hey, they do bee stuff. I do human stuff, which is usually make mistakes. I'm gonna open this up right now so they can get to it better, if they choose to. I mean, they seem to like it, but this paper is too much. And I'm just gonna let them crawl on top of the inner cover to get it. But that to me was really amazing. I'm sure they had a couple things, you know, brood hatching. They had the brood hatching. Look at them go to town on that pollen, Patty. And they are really, really slammed in there building. I thought about putting a super on this, but I don't know that they have enough built out frames in the bottom. You guys let me know, and I'll keep this video short, and let me know what you think. Should I put a super on it already, or should I let it ride another week or so? Anyway, guys, have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you know, I will make mistakes. I am a first-year beekeeper. I do like comments from you guys to let me know, hey, you're messing this up, you're doing that. That's okay with me. I've got thick skin. I just want you guys to see what I see, and you know, I wish I could have caught that that queen. Sorry, let me get this. Ugh. I wish I could have caught that queen on camera for you, but I wasn't filming earlier when I did my check, and you know, they're doing good. I've got flight. So Queen Victoria Hive doing good. Got a queen right here with the red dots on it. I like this. I like that I've got some foragers down here, and hopefully not robbers, but foragers. They don't, I mean, that's the most activity I've seen out of that hive in a minute, so that's good that there's some stuff going on. I don't see any tackling to the ground, so you know, that's a good thing. We'll let them be bees. They're building, you know, if I start seeing a bunch of tackling to the ground, I'll just close them off. Because they've got more stores than they have bees. But they're doing good. Everybody's doing good today. So, again, this hive right here has a lot of activity. That's the one with the new queen in it. So they're getting to work. They got something to work for now. Activity is definitely picked up right here. And I'm not really in their way, so but they are doing a good job being bees. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.